In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, how does Temu coupon bundle work? By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what the Temu coupon bundle is, as well as how it works and how you can make the most out of it. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So what actually is it? Temu coupon bundling is a feature designed to help customers save money on their future purchases by providing them with a bundle of coupons. And when you receive it, it will look similar to what's on screen now. So how does it actually work? To start with, eligibility. To qualify for the coupon bundle, you typically need to place an order that meets a minimum required amount. This minimum amount is calculated after any discounts are applied and excludes taxes and shipping fees. Next, there's a coupon value. Once you've made a qualifying purchase, you'll receive a bundle of coupons. The exact value and terms of these coupons may vary. For example, some users have reported receiving a $100 coupon after buying a certain number of items. However, it's essential to note that these coupons often come with specific conditions. Finally, there's usage restrictions. These coupons usually have a limited validity period, often just 24 hours. Additionally, they may be divided, allowing you to use a portion of the coupon on one spend amount and another portion on a different spend amount. But be sure to read the terms carefully to make the most out of your discount. So this has been my video quickly explaining how coupon bundling works. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand exactly what it is and how it works. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.